Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we have an exciting gadget for content creators, the PICTRON smartphone video rig with ring light. Whether you're a vlogger, a filmmaker, or a live streamer, this device is designed to improve your video quality. Let's explore its features and see if it's worth it. The PICTRON video rig combines lighting and stabilization in one sleek design. It comes with a stepless adjustable ring light ranging from 2,500 Kelvin to 8,500 Kelvin, providing both warm and cool tones. With 200 high-brightness LED beads and a CRI rating of 96+, it ensures natural-looking colors for professional quality videos. One of its standout features is the built-in 8,000 mAh battery, offering up to 2.5 hours of operation at maximum brightness. It also functions as a power bank, allowing users to charge their devices on the go. Plus, it supports both vertical and horizontal shooting, making it ideal for different social media platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. The rig is designed to work with smartphones, cameras, and action cameras. It features 3 cold shoe mounts, so you can attach additional accessories like a microphone or an extra light. The hidden bottom bracket ensures stable placement. In summary, the PICTRON smartphone video rig is a fantastic tool for content creators looking for better lighting and stability. If you want to take your videos to the next level, this could be the perfect addition to your setup. What do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech reviews. See you in the next video.